All right, well, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you. You ready to get this done?
So ready.
Okay, good. What I like to do is I like to walk everybody through the experience. Most important thing I can tell you about today, there's no pain. At the beginning, some pressure. If you took 2 fingers, press down, I can feel that pressure. You're gonna feel similar pressure right here. And as we apply that pressure, your vision changes. Everything turns dark. To you, it's gonna seem like you've closed your eyes. Once we get to that point where things are dark, the next step takes 24 seconds. During that step, there's a very gentle vibration. It's less vibration than a cell phone, so you don't feel much. When the 24 seconds are over, pressure, vibration go away, vision comes back. We're now ready for the second laser. This one, you can't feel it at all. Very fast, 15 seconds. When this is finished, the first eye is done. So I'm going to cover the eye, protect it, head to the second eye. We're going to repeat the steps, and before you know it, we're all done. Questions for me at all? All right, let's get you seeing better. Treatment for the right eye is confirmed. We have a 109.5 OD confirmation. You can open this eye and look down toward your toes. And next we'll be looking at a little red light. You'll feel pressure. Now as that pressure increases, everything's going to go dark, and we want this to happen. It's a good thing. Begin. Here's the light vibration.
I get just about 24 seconds left.
Above you is the blinking green light. You're going to feel just a very gentle back and forth movement. I'm going to straighten you a little bit, right like this. I'll bring the green light back. Your job is to watch the blinking green light. Great job, you're doing very well. We're halfway done. The first eye is all done. You did just fantastic. Some sticky tape coming off. Transfer the protective shield over the eye we just finished. Add some numbing drops now to the left eye. You can close gently. Treatment for the left eye is confirmed. We have a 109.5 OS confirmation. You can open this eye and look down towards your toes. Up towards me. Going to feel a gentle touch here on each lid. Try to open the eye gently. This helps you do so. And above you once again is the green blinking light that's going to serve as your target. Got a couple drops here for comfort. Beautiful. And now we're looking at a little red light. Begin. You're going to feel pressure there. As the pressure increases, everything will go dark. We want this to happen. It's a good thing. Very good. Pressure's going away, vision's returning. The fuzzy green light is above you, and you're just going to feel a very gentle back and forth movement here. Your job is once again simply to watch that blinking green light. That's perfect. You're doing really well. Beautiful. Keep watching that green blinking light. We're halfway done. Almost there. Watch that green light. Good. Stare at the green light once more. A little bit of sticky tape coming off. We have got some drops for you. Close gently. One final drop to go. Close again. Okay, now as you look around the room, it's a little foggy, but you can start to see. It's a great moment. And as the day goes on, that hazer fog's gonna lift. Good full night's sleep. It's gonna be a lot clearer tomorrow. But you did just great. What'd you think?
That was so quick.
It's-
Not really better.